How's it going, Secret Sauce Hockey Team? Today I'm bringing you the recipe for the ultimate weight gain shake. This is gonna give you your protein, your carbs, everything you need to build your body this off season and gain 10 to 15 pounds of muscle. This is what I've used in my own life to gain 50 pounds of muscle in a 2-year period. Au natural, no chemicals, no drugs, no nothing. So I know it works. It's actually pretty tasty. You're gonna enjoy this. And it's way, way, way a trillion times better than buying those jugs of garbage at the store that's full of God knows what chemicals and refined processed stuff that your body is probably not even absorbing most of it. So this is it. We're gonna get right into this recipe now. It's super simple. We're gonna get a cup of oats. 1 cup of, this is rolled oats. Just pop that in there. I started with like 4 cups of water in the blender. You wanna have enough water to make it drinkable, basically. You don't want it to get too thick. So you might have to adjust the water. I haven't made this shake in 7 years because I haven't needed to bulk. So I've actually been kind of going the opposite way, getting a little leaner. So we'll see how it goes. We're gonna get the peanut butter. Peanut butter is key because it makes it delicious. Probably like a good amount of peanut butter would be a 1/4 cup, a couple big tablespoons. I don't really measure it, but there you go. I highly recommend the Valencia peanut butter. They have it at Trader Joe's because the Valencia peanuts do not have the mold that is associated with the other peanuts. You're gonna get yourself a banana. Get your banana and throw it in there. Banana is, I think it's, obviously gonna help you gain, but it also helps the flavor. You want it to be enjoyable. And then I personally put 2 eggs usually when I was doing it. You could adjust it how you want. Again, all of this you can adjust it. There's no set rule here. It's just what you want to do. You could use egg whites if you kind of want to stay a little bit leaner or whatever. Me, I'm kind of, the type that my metabolism is naturally fast and everything, so whole eggs are better for me. If you want maximum gains, go whole eggs. So the thing that's important with the eggs is wash these off real good, okay? Wash the shell off in the sink before you do this. In case you get a little piece of that shell go in there, it's at least been cleaned and sanitized, so it'll be more healthy for you. All right, we got our eggs, we got our peanut butter, we got our cup of oats. Now, what I also would do is just throw in your creatine, 5 grams, whatever, that's the regular dose. Throw in some creatine, just get it in there for you for the day. If you take creatine, if you want to, creatine's good. And then from there, you can adjust it however you want. I'm gonna have a little fun today because I don't really need to drink this, so I'm gonna try to make it as tasty as possible. I'm gonna put a spoon of cocoa powder in there. Maybe I'll do a little bit more. And we're just gonna blend this up. That's it. You've got your all natural shake that's gonna help you gain your weight, gain your muscle, and you're gonna be a beast out there next season. So let's blend it up. All right, all blended up. So what I can say from this already is I probably put more water than I needed to. Like I said, guys, I haven't made this for 7 years, and I didn't feel like making it before the video and having a bunch of this to drink that I don't need. So probably do like 3 cups of water to start, I would say, but there you go. There it is. Maybe this is gonna be pretty good, actually. You don't want it too thick. Sometimes it gets real thick, but this is liquid food here. This is not a store-bought junk shake. This is real food. This is equivalent to eating a meal right here. You have this and that's it. You're just gonna fire it down. You're just gonna hammer it down here, dude. It's a lot, but this is actually delicious. Drink this shake, eat at least 3 meals a day. You can have this 2 times a day, but if you really need to gain weight, I'm gonna highly recommend eat at least 6 meals a day, real meals. Have this shake twice a day. You're basically getting in 8 meals. And yeah, you're gonna gain weight fast, all right? So make sure you're working out enough to put all that to use and get a lot of sleep, a lot of rest so you can rebuild your body. But yeah, the food is key, your training, weight training is key, and your rest is key. Hit all those things this off season. Put on those 10, 15 pounds. You're gonna be right where you need to be next season. Thanks for watching the video. I really hope this helps you get to where you need to be, and have a great day.